This is Thomas Paul's week. You might have seen from our press release that I, together with Bishop Efraim Tendero, my predecessor and global ambassador of World Evangelical Alliance, attended the welcome, the installation of the new General of the Salvation Army in London, in Regent Hall, the traditional place where 1882 it all began. And I just will show you some impressions, some videos from this welcome. Of the official title is the Welcome Meeting of the General and Commissioner Brownwin Buckingham as World President of Women's Ministries. There is a full video in YouTube of the 3 hours worship service, so you are invited to look at this, but I hope that these impressions give you a little bit an idea how important the Salvation Army as one of our oldest affiliate members is. We just attended the welcoming of the new Salvation Army General just across the corner here, and I'm here with my predecessor, the former General Secretary of the World Evangelical Alliance, now Global Ambassador, but also heading up the Galilean movement. And I take my chance to ask you, the Galilean movement is on for a year now.
Yes.
How is it? You are running around. What do you see? What do you hear?
Well, in every place, in every country that we have been, there is so much great reception about the plan of really seeking to have Christ-like harvest workers everywhere. So the Galilean is focusing on following Jesus the Galilean, who is asking that there will be more workers for the harvest. And he defined the harvest in Matthew 28 as disciples. And so we need more disciple makers. And then these disciple makers will be continuing to be developed and be trained so that they become Christ-like in their thinking, in their heart, in their attitude, in their service, the head, the heart, and the hands of Jesus. So that we will have millions of Christ-like disciple makers and Christian workers everywhere.
So you are traveling around the world and trying to encourage people from the Galilean movement. What do you find?
There's been great reception and real support for the call of the Galilean movement. This is following Jesus the Galilean, who said in Matthew chapter 9, the harvest is great, where are the workers? We need to raise up more workers for the harvest. And the harvest that he defined is in Matthew 28, to make disciples. So we need to raise disciple makers, and the disciple makers will be effective so that later on they will become fruitful harvest workers for Jesus.
Well, the World Evangelical Alliance, as I said, with all the many theological seminaries, we do a lot when it comes to theological training. Why do we need Galilean movement? What it is more than just training people for being pastors?
Because for the many, I would say, decades or even centuries, we have neglected the primary call that Jesus gave, primary mandate to make disciples of all nations. We have so many activities, we have so many programs, and they are very good programs, but we need to focus on these programs, ministries contributing towards raising up disciple makers. We need to have disciple makers in every region of the world, in every sector of society, and then we can see the steady growth of the churches as we equip disciple makers who later on will become effective harvest workers for Jesus.
So, if you are interested in the Galilean movement, invite Bishop F over personally, or otherwise write to him, phone him, try to connect him. We are really not doing this for our own branding or for whatever. It's really to find disciples, to find workers for the church. The work is growing, the church is growing. We need more and more people to help. And Jesus, the Galilean, he has shown us the way how we can get those workers. Thank you very much.